Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to download Eclipse and how to run Java program in Eclipse software. First of all, you need to open your Chrome browser. In Google search, type Eclipse. You will get the official website eclipse.org. Open that. On the top right side, you have a button download. Click on that. Then you will redirect to the download page. You just scroll down little, then you get download drop button. Click on that, select first option download 64-bit, then click on download. It is going to start downloading. Then you go to the download folder where you have installed your software. Double click on that software. It is going to ask install. Click on that install button. It is going to start installing. Wait for some time until installation is completed. Then you will get this window. Click on that launch button. Eclipse IDE is going to be launched. After that, you will get this pop-up window for path location. Keep it as same, then click on launch. With this, you just completed the Eclipse IDE installation. It will automatically generate a desktop icon also. After that, Eclipse welcome page will be displayed. You need to select create a new Java project. Here you need to give project name. You will give whatever you want. Here I am giving demo. After giving project name, it will automatically take that default location. Then it will choose the execution environment. Here it is taking Java SE21. It will automatically take it. We don't need to anything. Then click on finish. With this step, we created our project. Then it will redirect to the workspace. You can create it in another way. Go to file, then click on new Java project. There you can give project name. After creating our project, click on right click. There you can select new. In that you have so many options. Here I am creating a class. Here you can see the Java class window. Here I am going to give my class name. You can give whatever name you want. Here I am giving Balu. After giving class name, I am selecting method. Here I am selecting public static void main, and also I unchecked inheritance abstract methods because here I am not using it, so that I unchecked it. After that, click on finish. With this step, we created a class. Here I am giving a name Balu so that a Balu class is created. Make sure that the file name and class name should be same. After that, I just want to print a statement. For that, I am taking printing statement like system.out.println. Make sure that S should be capital letter. In that, in inverted commas, I am giving a name Java program. I just want to print this word Java program. End this printing statement with semicolon. Don't forget that after writing your program, you need to save it. For that, go to the file, then you have option called save. Click on that, it automatically saved. To execute our program, come to this workspace, then click on right click. Here you have an option called run as. Click on that, select one Java application. After clicking that, if you have any error, it will show the errors, or else it will give the output. Here you can see our output Java program. This is the video how to install Eclipse and run Java programs. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe. Follow for more videos like this.